If you want to speed up audio in CapCut without changing the pitch, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to make your audio play faster while keeping the voice sounding natural and clear. This is super useful for podcasts, voiceovers, interviews, and any clip where you want to save time without making the audio sound squeaky or distorted. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel and it makes sure you don't miss the next editing tip. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure your audio clip is already on the timeline. If you're working with a video clip that has embedded audio, that works too. Look down at the timeline at the bottom of the screen and click on the clip you want to edit. Once it's selected, you should see that it's highlighted, which tells you CapCut is ready to apply changes to that specific clip. Now that the clip is selected, move your attention to the upper right area of the screen. This is where the editing controls are located. Find the speed tab and click on it. CapCut usually gives you a few different speed options, so make sure you are on the normal sub tab. That's the one you want for a simple speed increase without using any advanced speed curve effects. Once you're in the normal speed settings, you'll see a speed slider. This slider controls how fast or slow your audio plays. If you want it just a little faster, drag the slider to the right. If you want a more noticeable increase, keep moving it further to the right until you reach the speed you want. You can also type in a speed multiplier manually if you already know the exact number you want, like 1.2x, 1.5x, or even higher depending on your project. Now here's the important part. Directly below the speed slider, you should see an option that says Change Pitch. By default, this may be enabled in some versions, and if you leave it on, your audio can sound higher or lower in pitch as the speed changes. To keep the voice natural, you want to lock the pitch by unchecking that box. This is the step that makes the biggest difference because it lets you speed up the audio without giving it that chipmunk effect or making it sound unnaturally edited. After you uncheck change pitch, take a second to listen or preview the clip if possible. This helps you confirm that the speed feels right and the audio still sounds clean. If it's too fast, lower the multiplier a bit. If it's still too slow, increase it slightly until it matches the pace you want. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially if you're editing spoken audio, and that's really all there is to it. To recap, select the clip, open the speed tab, stay on normal, increase the speed using the slider or a type multiplier, and then uncheck change pitch so the voice stays natural. It's a quick process, but it can save you a lot of time and make your edits sound much more professional. If this CapCut tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple editing tutorials, quick fixes, and beginner-friendly tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.